In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set agent creativity and randomness levels in Hermes Agent. First, open Hermes Agent and go to the main screen. Unlike traditional AI tools, Hermes Agent doesn't necessarily require you to adjust creativity through a dedicated settings menu. Instead, you can control creativity directly through your prompts. In the Give Hermes a Task box, specify how creative you want the agent to be. For more predictable and consistent outputs, instruct Hermes to use a professional tone, follow strict guidelines, and avoid creative variations. For more creative outputs, ask Hermes to generate unique ideas, experiment with different writing styles, and provide multiple variations. You can also request specific levels of creativity, such as low, medium, or high, depending on your workflow. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.